And thank you so much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Eric Tallman, and I'm really glad that you guys can join me this morning. We're going to actually talk about a couple of things, unfortunately, and I actually have them up. Let me just try and bring them up here. Let me see if I can bring them up. Just 1 second. Let me see if I can bring them up on the computer. One moment, please. See what we got. This only takes me a minute to do. Hold on, I'm really sorry, guys. It takes me a couple of moments to set up here. Let's see what we got, and I'll show you what's going on in the radar in one moment. Um, okay, one moment. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys flying now and show you what we've got going on, and this is what I'm gonna show you. And thank you so much for joining me once again. And we're going to talk about, oops, I'm sorry, I'm going to back up here. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we are expecting here in Southeast Michigan. I know a lot of us don't really like a winter. Some of us do, some of us don't. But this is the update that I currently have for us. Uh, Light snow this afternoon into tonight. And we're generally looking at a total of between 2 to 3 inches of snow for most of Southeast Michigan. A lot of areas are going to be seeing that. And then for Flint, Michigan, 2 to 3 inches of snow, and that would be most of the viewing area is going to see generally that accumulating snow between 2 to 3 inches of snow. So that is quite a bit of snow. But the further north that you go, like up in Saginaw or Sandusky area, you're going to actually see a little bit less, about 1 to 2 inches of snow. And then if you go up to Bad Axe, there is the possibility that you'll see about an inch. And you guys will be expecting up there, up in Bad Axe, 0.5, and then possibly an inch of snow for you guys up there. Not really a lot. Uh, Not a whole bunch of snow, but it's actually a start anyway. We'll kind of keep an eye on that, and we'll let you know throughout the day what we will be expecting. I think Wednesday is going to be another snowmaker. We'll talk about how interesting that one is in a little while. And I'll be back later on this afternoon with much more. So we've got an extended edition of what is yet to come for Wednesday. So we'll talk about that setup in just a little bit. What to expect? Total snow accumulation around 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of the area. Less snow north across the northern Bay County, Midland County. Snow may mix with freezing drizzle in the evening. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s. Timing: light snow will spread into the area during the afternoon hours, especially I 69 South. Most of the snowfall accumulation will occur late this afternoon, early evening. Lingering light snow showers persist overnight, and the impacts are really going to impact travel again. And I know that's not really generally the thing that we don't like at all, especially during the winter months. So the impacts and hazards will be snow covered and slippery roads late this afternoon through tonight, and reduced visibility in falling snow. So make sure that you do allow yourself extra time, as always, during snowy roads and weather related conditions. Take your time and slow down those speeds when you're going to be out tonight. Light snow will develop this afternoon and this evening with light snowfall and flurries through much of the overnight into tomorrow morning. Total snow accumulations around 2 to 3 inches is expected for much of the area. That would be for most of southeast Michigan and most of the metropolitan Detroit viewing area in southeast Michigan. You can see that it's all on there for metropolitan Detroit as well. So generally, a good 2 to 3 inches of snow is what we're looking at. A new fresh batch of snow for us again in southeast Michigan, unfortunately. So less snow expected across the northern thumb and Bay County and Midland County. They'll see less snow than the ones that have the 2 to 3 inches for snowfall amounts. So, yeah. So, pretty much that is about it for now. I'll have much more on this winter coverage that does continue in southeast Michigan. I'll have more updates to follow on the next snowmaker. And how much snow are we going to see out of that? Is it going to be a better chance of snow accumulation or more? And how is it going to impact us in Michigan? I'll have those details and much more later on this afternoon. Please come back and join me once again. This is Eric Tallman, meteorologist, National Weather Service, Detroit, Pontiac. Everyone have an awesome day. Please like, subscribe, and have a good day. I will be looking for all of your guys' awesome comments. Have a good day, and I'll reapply to them as soon as I can. We'll see you again at 12:45 for another update on the forecast and your 7-day.